Welcome to all of you. Today in the Wazwan series, I'm going to show you how tomato paneer or Chaman tamater is cooked in Wazwan. Kashmiri Wazwan is a royal feast consisting of dozens of varieties of non-veg and very few varieties of veg. Tomato paneer is a main course dish in Wazwan. So let's get started. And for making this, they use tomato puree, not the fresh tomatoes. In Wazwan, a big chunk of paneer is served on trami or a platter. So here you can see this is the paneer and they have made big chunks. Now they will fry it. It needs to be deep fried. It will be deep fried in extremely hot oil. Here you can see. Now they have taken it off the flame and then they will take out paneer. And then they will dip it in cold water. Now they have placed a pot on the flame and added oil to it. And then they will be adding tomato puree. As I said earlier, fresh tomatoes are not used, tomato puree is used, and they will fry it. They have used one big can of tomato puree. So here you can see it's still frying, and they will add chili powder, a teaspoon of chili powder to it and mix it. Wazwan is cooked on simmering flames of wood. It's slow cooked that enhance its taste, and everything is done manually till date. Now the puree is fully fried, they will take it off the flame. While they have taken paneer in a pot and added half of the cooked puree, and they will be adding spices. The spices added here are 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 3 to 4 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, 2 to 3 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi or dried fenugreek, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. They will be adding more than a glass of mutton stock and then keep it on the flame. Now it has been cooking on the flame. Now they will be adding salt to it, and they have prepared the paste of Kashmiri shallots. They have fried them first and then blended it to a paste. So they will be adding a big spoon of fried blended shallots to paneer also, and they will keep it cooking. Now they have taken it off the flame and they are adding a cooked puree to it, a big ladle of cooked puree that they had saved in the beginning. So it gives a good color and enhance the flavor. So here you can see tomato paneer is ready. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.